This is the permit. Have you seen one? No? Really? Okay. I'll open it now. It's unboxing time. I just got it today. Are you excited? I'm excited. You know when I went there? Because I was in a hurry, right? There were 3 people ahead of me. Then they were like, what's your concern? What do you want? And I said, I'm gonna get my permit card. And they said, for collection. Okay. It was very quick. Oh, my face! Oh my god. It's not a good picture. But it's so cute. Look, look, look! This is my card. Look at my face. Look at my face. This is just one take. Got it. See Sweden. See you, Sweden. Okay. Welcome back to Shangrila after 4 years. Yeah, of course. There. So this is our room.
Your sanctuary, prepared and sanitized with the highest care. Oh, it's nice.
Welcome. What's this?
This is our place.
But wait, there's a... Really?
Yeah.
Well, where's the bed? Oh, why it's like this, honey? It's like executive.
It's the suite. It's a suite.
Oh, on the first floor.
Yeah, we got upgraded.
Upgraded again?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is huge.
Upgraded again. Always upgraded. Oh, this is so nice, honey. Here. And the pool.
Big.
And the beach is just near. Yeah, it's very big.
Yeah.
This is different from the previous one, right?
Yeah.
I was like, there's a living room here.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's that? Ah, our luggages. What's that, honey?
Tea. Serving tea to guests from all age, custom handed down for generation in China. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's how it is.
Are you filming?
Yep.
Let's put it on the table first.
On the table. Okay. You open it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Rearranging stuff.
Yeah. So this is the welcome present when you get to stay in the suite.
Amazing.
Look at this.
Okay. Show me how. That's tea.
This is tea.
Yeah.
And I think we got a card and it says, serving tea to a guest is an age-old custom handed down for generations in China. Tea drinking is an art and an important part of the Chinese culture.
Ah, that's why. That is why. Be careful. Oh my god.
Oh, it's big.
That's so cute. Ah. That is so nice. Be careful. looks so good. I think your mom will like this. Smells good.
Looks like something.
What's that?
Something came out of it.
Tea time. Cheers, honey. Cheers to our tea.
Cheers to our tea.
Okay, let's try. It smells so good. I like it. There is an aftertaste. So good. Yeah, it's good. What kind of tea they're using? Yummy. The breakfast.
The breakfast, yeah.
Yeah. The breakfast area. What are these? We had a photo here, and that was 4 years ago. We're back here. And this is the outside.
Super nice.
That was too close.
Yeah. Hello.
This is the outside. This is our balcony area, and the pool is there. But we don't have swimwear, so we will not.
I have swimwear.
We
You
have?
should bring your swimwear.
No, I did not bring
We
any.
are on vacation.
Thank you so much. Outside Shangrila, and this is the view. Good morning. Good morning.
Sit with me.
Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Did you use the one there?
Yeah.
This is so big. A fountain of chocolate. They have fresh honey. They have ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. So let's have a quick tour here at the garden suite of Shangrila here in Abu Dhabi. So we got upgraded and it was very exciting because the room is so big. So when we saw it, it was so amazing that I was like, oh, I have to do a room tour for this. So when you enter the room, it has a big mirror on the right side and a small shelf. And they have like this kind of details actually. Every room they have like this. It's like a plant in the pot. So I don't know really the meaning of it. These are the luggages that we brought and we will bring home. And here I will tour you on the first toilet. I think this area is for the visitors. They have their own sink and a big mirror as well. And when you go out here, there is a dining area. That's the living area. And then they have an area for the business desk actually. So if you are like working a lot or if you are like traveling for work, you can stay here most of the time. And yeah, this is the living area and they have a television here and you can see that one. You know, it will fit a lot of people actually. This is good for family or friends if you want to stay in a hotel like this. It's very beautiful. And this is the bedroom. See, they have a lot of mirrors everywhere, which I like most. They also have a television here, and that's the balcony. The balcony of the bedroom is different from the balcony of the living room. But when you go outside, it's just the same pathway. So you can go either this way or that way. So I'm gonna tour you around on the other side of the room, which is the bathroom. But first, on the right side, before you enter the bathroom, this is the vanity area. So you can put your stuff here. And this is the cabinet for the bathrobes. So if you have like crumpled clothes, they have iron here, they have a board, and they have a safe here. So let's close this one. Let's go to the bathroom. So when you enter the bathroom, they have a tub, a big tub, but yeah, if you want to use it, just use it. And they have a big mirror as well. And this is the shower area. And they have another toilet. Actually, it's very big. It's so big and you can really relax here. Especially, you know, they have like lights like this. So, yeah, the thing I'm wondering about is they don't have a socket where you can charge your phone beside the bed. And it's so weird. We were looking for it actually because, you know, the sockets are far from the bedroom. And there is one socket at the vanity area, but it's not working. And that's one thing that, yeah, we don't really like because they don't have a socket near the bed area, which is weird. So, yeah. This is the garden suite and it's so amazing. It's so beautiful and it's a great experience that we've tried here. You know, Jake really loves Shangrila. Actually, we've been here last 2017, but we booked at the different room. So it's amazing that they upgraded us here at the garden suite. This is the balcony. You can see there's a pool here just in front of the balcony, and then there's a beach as well. If you want to go to the beach, then it's just near. We just walk. And yeah, let's go out of the balcony and I'm gonna show you how it looks. We stayed here last night. So this is the area where you can stay, and this is the outside of the balcony. It's so beautiful here. So that was the quick room tour here at the Garden Suite Hotel. We were here on the first time we've met. It was like 4 years ago that we've met here. This is the first place that we've met, and Jake was like, he said that he wanted to come back here before we leave UAE. So he wants to reminisce. He wants to remember this place before we leave UAE. So it's really good, and I'm so happy that we will be able to go home together. Yeah. So that's it for today, and I will be missing Abu Dhabi a lot. So yeah, this will be my last vlog here in Abu Dhabi, and it's a great experience. 5 years is really a good journey. So this is Caryl, and I hope you like this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you around, and see you on my next journey to a new and wonderful place. Bye.